introduce you to the you right now. Oh my God. Always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping, I can boot you, the pick of brown. I'm the one that introduced you to the you right